So I just love this sitting area here. Like the greenery you see from here, it is very calming. So I just want to sit here in peace and enjoy the nature with a nice cup of coffee. Hi, my name is Naroja Niharika and I've done my graduation from National Institute of Technology, Rourkela, and now I'm working as an associate consultant in PwC Hyderabad. We never considered renting. We were always clear on having our own house, be it a flat or an independent house. And independent house was our first priority. Ultimately, we decided to start something from scratch as it allowed us to customize, according to our needs and preferences. Okay, so we opted for budget package due to our financial constraints back then. And while researching about it, I found that all the construction materials were consistent across all the packages. Only the variation is in the elements that you opt for, like doors and all the sanitary fittings. And again, flexibility to customize these aspects played a crucial role in opting this package. We were regularly visiting our site during the process, so we did not use the app extensively. I mainly used it to track payments and all, but it is very clear that the app is a great tool. Like if you want to monitor sitting at home just from a distance, like you can track everything. I found that Quascon is designed to ensure rigorous checks at every stage of the project. It basically focuses on maintaining those high standards, and obviously extensive quality checks are crucial to avoid any issues or maintain the quality and customer satisfaction and meet those client expectations. Honestly, you don't have to be as involved if you don't want to. Everything would be taken care by site engineers and project managers themselves. Communication with the Brick and Bolt team, it was very smooth and great. Any minor gaps were promptly addressed. Especially a project manager was very supportive throughout the process. He was in constant touch with us, updating regularly, and all the issues were cleared out. I just cannot describe it. Like it was a mix of excitement, you could say, a mix of relief and a little bit of pride, I would say. Like seeing all the final output after months of planning and efforts, it was truly rewarding. I would say it was a moment of complete fulfillment. Honestly, I cannot decide one because everything about our home is special to me. But if I want to choose one, I would say it's the sitting area because I just love enjoying nature. So I just love to sit there, enjoy a nice coffee. So the overall experience, it was great and it was seamless. And it was professional as well. They cleared out everything. The communication was very clear and they helped out in all the possible ways. Quality checks were done on priority and they exceeded our expectations. I mean, I would say I did not expect this output, like whatever we have envisioned for in this cute little space we have, but they pulled it off better, like better than we imagined.